Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue, and in this video, we're gonna make an axe throwing target board. 3 8-foot 2x10s. Cut all of them in half. Some scrap plywood or even some cheap OSB. Lay out your 2x10s, 5 across and 1 at the top. Cut your plywood the same size as the layout for the 2x10s. Mark the top of your vertical boards and put 2 screws across the top of each board. Do the same thing across the bottom. And then add a few screws on the outsides of your outside boards just for good measure. 2 2x6s. Locate the center of the vertical boards. Draw a line from opposite corners, and where they cross in the middle, that's your center. According to the National Axe Throwing Federation, from the floor to the center of the bullseye is 63 inches. And yeah, there's really a National Axe Throwing Federation. I'm joining that. Attach your side supports with some lag screws or some really beefy construction deck screws. If you use lag screws, I would suggest using a pilot hole. Repeat this process on the opposite side as well. 3 8-foot 2x4s and cut 1 in half. Center your 2x4 on the bottom of the 2x6. Use a framing square to make sure that that 2x4 is square with the 2x6. Attach the 2x4 to the 2x6 either using lag screws or heavy-duty construction screws. With your second 2x4, cut it in half also, but cut 45s on one end of each half of a 2x4. Line your 2x4 up with the 45 against the 2x4 that you just attached to the base post. Find the center of your 2x6 and draw a line on the 2x4 with the 45. Now, cut that 2x4 at that point. Repeat that process with the second half of the 2x4 with the 45 in it. Now, join those two to the bottom 2x4 and your 2x6. Time to draw the target. The bullseye is 7 inches in diameter. The 3-point red line is 17 inches in diameter. And the blue 1-point line is 27 inches in diameter. The 2 green dots are called clutches. Measure up from the base 39 inches, and then from the 2 inside seams 4 1/4 inches. Because this is going to be in my shop, I wanted it to move around. So I'm going to go ahead and add some wheels that I just welded some brackets onto. As an afterthought, I added in a 2x6 between the 2 posts to hold the axes. It also serves a purpose of further bracing the 2 upwards posts because of the extra weight up top. And of course, a couple of axes. A quick note on the axes. This axe came from Home Depot, cost about $25, and is metal. Has a rubber handle and has a little weight to it. This axe, Harbor Freight, 12 bucks, metal with a fiberglass handle. This axe looks similar to the axes that I was throwing at the axe throwing place. Let's go throw some axes.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. And if you are subscribed and you'd like to get notified when my next video comes out, then please press that bell icon. And if you have a moment, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I always try to answer my comments within a few days. So, we'll see you in the next video.